Hi everyone. Noble values is one of the subtopics in moral education subject. The meaning of noble values is too general and gives the same meaning to all the list of values in moral education subject itself. Previously, common assessment method for moral education subject in Matriculation College is through presentations and forums. Results from survey found that the students always misinterpret the given situations, which causes students fail to interpret the true meaning of noble values. The objectives are to strengthen students' understanding of every noble value that exists in moral education subject, and the questions developed are to assess students' level of understanding or interpretation of several situations. The inventiveness. First, we built a game in form of quiz using quizzes because students are more familiar with quizzes application. And then for improvement, the quiz was upgraded by using a smartphone application, and the prototype was built using the app called App Gazer. Right? And it's free. The Morabit application is modified by adding questions and categories as appropriate. Morabit App is simple and user-friendly. It can make the learning more engaging. It can also work without internet because it's offline mode. And assessment can be done more effectively and can improve students' understanding based on the pre and post-test results. We can see that the improvement in scores between both tests. The impacts on learning are the ability of students to understand all the noble values are increasing and make the presentations better after using the Morabit App. Morabit App games are also very helpful and motivate students to learn, and also can improve the understanding to learn in the subject of moral education more brilliantly.
Now, to assess more on the effectiveness of the Morabit app, we made the comparisons to see the students' performance during the pre and post test. Let's have a closer look at the students' performance during the two tests. All students had significantly higher marks during the post test as compared to the pre-test. The pre-test were given before the introduction and application of the Morabit app. All of them scored low marks. However, upon the use of the app, students managed to score significantly higher points during the post test. This shows us that the Morabit app has a positive association towards students' understanding on moral values. Next, we conducted a 5-point Likert scale assessment to find students' level of satisfaction upon using the app. All items had score high marks, exceeding the 4.5 Likert scale. Students agree that the use of Morabit app is in line with the 21st century teaching approach. With the score of 4.65, students also agree that this app has improved their understanding of the moral values subtopic. This has also increased their motivations to study moral education subject.
There are so many impacts on the learning because Morabit apps are actually self-learning app, and it's actually very flexible, dynamic, suitable for all ages, and it also can be used for independent learning. The replication process allows this product to potentially be commercialized in all educational institutions, and Morabit apps also has been extended and shared to several education institutions in Malaysia. The advantage of this innovation is the cost is affordable compared to conventional methods, and we have been reducing the cost to 100% because the apps was built using a free app. These are the authorized letter from Ustaz Mujibuddin Haji Arsyad, Senior Humanities Teacher, Sekolah Menengah Sains Muar, and also Mrs. Rafidah Haji Arsyad, Islamic Education Teacher, Sekolah Menengah Sains Johor. These are the photos of the students before using the Morabit app. For conventional method, they use module paper to present, and they seem very excited while using the app. And we can see the happy faces after using the Morabit app.
Saya dah install dan saya juga dah try. Saya dapati ianya sangat menarik bagi diri saya, dan saya pasti ia juga boleh menarik minat pelajar, terutamanya kepada subjek pendidikan moral. Dengan apps ni, dengan penggunaan apps Morabit ni, satu pendedahan barulah yang bersifat digital yang boleh kita gunakan dalam kelas dengan pelajar-pelajar. Satu lagi perkara ataupun poin yang baik tentang apps Morabit ni saya dapati ialah once we have installed the apps, so kita boleh gunakan dia bila-bila masa. Pelajar boleh cuba menjawab soalan-soalan yang diberikan bila-bila masa di mana-mana sahaja.
Dan kelebihan aplikasi Morabit ini ialah dapat membentuk generasi muda yang mengamalkan nilai-nilai ini dalam kehidupan seharian.
Pertama sekali, aplikasi ini sangat seronok dan best untuk digunakan kerana dia memberikan pendedahan kepada saya tentang nilai ini yang saya belajar masa sekolah rendah. Macam ikut lah, saya dapat belajar benda baru, dan dia sangat seronok digunakan kerana kita boleh buat pilihan jawapan kita sendiri. Kalau kita tak pasti jawapan kita betul-betul, kita boleh menggunakan hint. Lagipun dia menggunakan ilustrasi-ilustrasi yang sangat menarik sebenarnya. Jadi
Aplikasi ini menggunakan elemen yang interaktif seperti kuis berserta gambar yang menarik dalam bentuk soalan objektif yang membuat pembelajaran moral lebih menarik dan mudah dipahami oleh golongan pelajar.
Aplikasi Morabit ini mendatangkan banyak manfaat kepada pelajar pendidikan moral kerana dapat meningkatkan pengetahuan mereka dalam subjek pendidikan moral.